Commander ZYX-41 floated in the observation deck of the Galactic Council's flagship, her 6 eyes focused on the blue marble suspended in the void ahead. Earth, the most boring planet in Sector 7, according to every survey conducted over the past millennium. A backwater world populated by bipedal mammals who had barely managed to escape their own atmosphere. Still can't believe the Council is wasting resources on this place, muttered her aide, Lieutenant Kresh. His crystalline form flickered with annoyance. These humans can't even achieve faster-than-light travel. Their most advanced weapons are nuclear fission bombs. Primitive doesn't begin to describe them. ZYX-41 had read the reports. Humanity had been observed for over 1,000 Earth years, catalogued as a Class II civilization, technologically infantile, socially fragmented, environmentally destructive. The Galactic Council had classified them as harmless to galactic stability, and largely ignored them, save for the occasional anthropological study. That classification was about to change forever. Dr. Vorthak, the Council's chief xenobiologist, materialized beside them through quantum teleportation. His tentacled form writhed with excitement. "Commander, you need to see this immediately. We've discovered something unprecedented about the humans." They gathered around the holographic display as Vorthak began his presentation. 3 standard cycles ago, we detected an anomaly. A human research facility on their northern continent began experimenting with what they call consciousness uploading, transferring human minds into quantum substrates. Crude digitization, Kresh dismissed. We've seen it before in dozens of species. That's what we thought, Vorthak continued, his voice dropping to a whisper. But then we analyzed the quantum signatures. Commander, these humans aren't just copying consciousness. They're manipulating the fundamental structure of reality itself. The hologram shifted, showing complex mathematical equations that made even ZYX-41's enhanced neural processors strain to comprehend. Every time a human consciousness interfaces with quantum space, it creates what we can only describe as reality echoes. Microscopic alterations to the fabric of spacetime that compound exponentially. ZYX-41's primary eye dilated. Are you suggesting that humanity unknowingly possesses the ability to rewrite universal constants? Yes. Vorthak's tentacles trembled. We've run the projections. If they continue this research within 50 of their years, they'll accidentally unravel the quantum foundations that hold our dimension together. The observation deck fell silent except for the hum of the ship's engines. Through the vast viewport, Earth continued its serene rotation, its inhabitants blissfully unaware that their consciousness experiments posed an existential threat to every sentient being in the galaxy. There's more, Vorthak continued. Our deep scans revealed that this isn't an accident of evolution. Humans are the descendants of an extinct race called the Architects, the same beings who originally designed the quantum infrastructure of our reality billions of years ago. The ability is dormant in their genetic code, activated only when their consciousness reaches a specific level of technological integration. Lieutenant Kresh's crystalline form darkened. So the most primitive species in the galaxy is actually the most dangerous? Not dangerous, ZYX-41 corrected, her mind racing through the implications. They don't even know what they're capable of. But if another species discovered this before we did, if someone decided to weaponize human consciousness, or worse, if the humans themselves realized their potential, the weight of the revelation settled over them. Every advanced civilization in the galaxy had technologies that could influence or control primitive species. The Dominion had already begun subtle infiltration of human governments. The Hive Collective was establishing covert research stations in their outer solar system. Recommendation, Commander? Kresh asked. ZYX-41 stared at the planet below, watching the day-night Terminator slowly creep across continents filled with 8 billion humans, each carrying in their neural patterns the potential to either preserve or destroy everything that existed. We protect them, she said finally. Not from themselves, but from everyone else who might learn what we just learned. And we pray to whatever cosmic forces brought them into being that they discover their true nature gently. As the flagship adjusted course to establish a permanent monitoring station, Earth continued spinning in blissful ignorance, its greatest secret hidden in the quantum depths of every human mind.